Welcome to Germany. If you've recently moved here, you may have already heard the word Schufa. But what exactly is it and why is everyone talking about it? In Germany, your Schufa score can affect renting an apartment, opening bank accounts, getting phone contracts, and even applying for loans. In this video, we'll explain what Schufa is, how it works, what affects your score, common mistakes to avoid, and how you can improve your financial reputation in Germany. Let's get started. What is Schufa? Schufa is Germany's main credit information company. It collects and stores information about your financial behavior. Based on this information, Schufa calculates a score that shows how financially reliable you are. Banks, landlords, phone companies, and many other businesses use this score to evaluate risk. A good Schufa score can make life in Germany much easier. Why Schufa matters. Schufa is connected to many important parts of daily life in Germany. Landlords often check it before renting apartments. Banks use it when you apply for accounts, credit cards, or loans. Phone companies may also check your Schufa before giving you a contract. A strong Schufa score can open many doors, while a poor score can create difficulties. That's why understanding Schufa is very important. How Schufa works. Schufa receives information from companies such as banks, telecom providers, online shops, and utility companies. This information is stored and analyzed. Positive behavior, such as paying bills on time, helps your score. Negative behavior, like unpaid debts or collections, can lower it. Schufa itself does not decide whether you are accepted or rejected. It only provides information to companies. What affects your Schufa score? Many different factors influence your Schufa score. Positive actions include paying bills on time, keeping stable contracts, and using credit responsibly. Negative factors include missed payments, too many credit applications, debt collections, or financial instability. Your financial behavior over time is very important. Small habits can have a big impact. What does not affect Schufa? Some people worry that personal background affects Schufa. But Schufa does not use your salary amount, nationality, religion, job title, or immigration status. Schufa focuses mainly on financial reliability and payment behavior. That means responsible financial habits are what really matter. Your Schufa score is shown as a percentage. Generally, a higher score means lower risk, and a lower score means higher risk. Most companies prefer scores above 90%. But even a lower score does not automatically mean rejection. Different companies use different criteria. And remember, your score can improve over time. You have the legal right to check your Schufa data. Once every year, you can request a free Schufa report called Datenkopie. You can request it online through the official Schufa website. You usually need your ID or passport, a German address, and identity verification. Checking your report regularly helps you find mistakes or suspicious activity early. There are two main types of Schufa reports. The free version is called Datenkopie. It contains detailed personal data and is mainly for your own information. The paid version is called Bonitätsauskunft. It shows your creditworthiness in a simpler format for landlords or companies. When applying for apartments, landlords usually ask for the paid Bonitätsauskunft. Understanding the difference is very important. Common Schufa problems. Some people experience problems with their Schufa data. Common issues include incorrect information, old debts still listed, identity mix-ups, fraud, or unexpectedly low scores. Mistakes can happen. That's why checking your data regularly is very important. The good news is that many problems can be corrected. How to improve your Schufa. Improving your Schufa score takes time and consistency. The best things you can do are pay bills on time, avoid unnecessary accounts, limit credit applications, and use contracts responsibly. You should also review your Schufa reports regularly to make sure everything is correct. Good financial habits slowly build trust. Schufa stores information for different periods of time. Many records are deleted after about 3 years. This can include paid debts, old contracts, and loan records. Negative information may also remain for several years after settlement. Under GDPR laws, you also have rights regarding your personal data. You can request access and corrections if needed. Schufa plays a very important role in the German housing market. Because apartment competition is high, landlords want financially reliable tenants. They often check your Schufa score, payment history, and overall financial stability. If you are new to Germany and don't have Schufa yet, some alternatives may help. Proof of income, a guarantor, or a larger deposit. Preparation makes a big difference. Let's summarize the most important points. Schufa is a major part of financial life in Germany. Good financial habits really matter. You should check your data regularly and correct mistakes quickly. And most importantly, don't panic if your score is low. Building a good Schufa score takes time, patience, and responsible financial behavior. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you better understand how Schufa works in Germany. If you found this guide useful, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.